Well, hello all. I live in South Africa where we have regular power failures, or as they call it, load shedding. And during load shedding, like many South Africans, I have some solar panels, I have my inverter, I have my battery, and so we manage to cope. But here's the thing, the inverter's got a fan and it makes quite a noise. I hope we get some power shedding or load shedding and power failures. It's not often we say that, so that I can record the loudness of the fan. So I want to show you what I've done to mitigate this problem of the noise. Here is the inverter and here is my bedroom door. So I built a system whereby I can automatically close the bedroom door. And it automatically, the door will automatically come open and stay open. So what we have is a pulley system and rope. We have a small little, it's actually it's a bobbin which serves as a pulley. Here's a rope that, here is the, from our bobbin or pulley, there is a piece of string that goes to the top of the door. This string has a weight hanging on it which pulls the door open. Here is a string that goes through an eye hook there, goes along the top of the cupboard, past the chimney. There is another eye hook, and then the string comes down to here is a handle which when I pull it down, the door automatically closes like you saw. So all I have to do is pull it all the way down and then the door will automatically shut. So I'm lying on my bed, I reach over and I pull and the door closes. And now I can't hear the noise of the inverter anymore. So there we are, we're able to close the door, the bedroom door, from bed without having to get up during the night. So just to explain how the system works, here is the door, here's the door frame, here is my cupboard. There's an eye hook, and a weight. And this piece of string goes through the eye hook and the weight pulls the door so that it swings open like that. Then from bed, I pull on this handle, my hand goes down through the eye hook, around the pulley. This is the pulley. And here's another eye hook. So when I pull this, it pulls the door closed. And that is how the system works.